Runway Aleph AI tutorial and review. Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're diving into Runway Aleph, the groundbreaking AI video editor that's been making waves. So is it truly the best AI video editor out there? Stick around and find out. Starting off, Runway Aleph is a state-of-the-art AI-powered video editing model that takes video post-production to a whole new level by allowing you to edit existing video footage using simple text prompts and reference images. Unlike conventional video editors, Aleph enables to add more, remove or transform objects, and generate new camera angles, change lighting environments, as well as change the overall environment, and even replace characters or backgrounds, all without complicated manual work. So what's unique? Aleph functions as an in-context video model, meaning that it understands and manipulates your footage while preserving continuity as well as realism across all the frames. It makes it super powerful for filmmakers, advertisers, content creators, and people that are just looking to streamline and accelerate their workflow. So to get started with Aleph, get into your Runway account, and you do need to upgrade to at least a standard or pro account on Runway to be able to access Aleph. Once you do that, you're going to head on over into your runwayml.com account, and then you're going to click on Start a Session on the left. Once you do that, you can proceed with directly using this in the chat mode, but I like to go into tool mode. So just click on Start with tool mode instead, and then you're going to proceed and you're going to click on over here and drop your video that you want to use for video editing. So it says you can drag an image to animate or a video to edit, or you can just click on select asset and select one of the pre-uploaded videos. You can just click on drag and drop file over here and drag and drop your file, or double click it to select your file from your computer. I have uploaded this video and this is of a dog that is running. So I'm just going to click on this video over here and I'm going to be using this over here. So we're going to be selecting this asset, and this is my original video. So it's just a dog running and it has some really nice lighting in the background. It's a hyper realistic video. And what I'm going to do is I can reshoot with words, or I can even proceed with another image reference. So first I'm going to show you guys a simple edit that I can do with just words. I want to change the dog's shirt to a red shirt. And that is all I'm going to do, or add other, as well as add other dogs playing in the background. And once I do that, you guys can see I can click on generate over here, and with the help of Aleph, I am going to be able to edit this video, or it is going to be editing the video for us. So I'm gonna wait, and the video is rendering in credits mode to Playful Dog Gathering, and within a few seconds our video would be ready. It can take upwards of 2 minutes, 3 minutes for your videos to be edited. Now in the meanwhile, while our first video is being edited, and we are going to just proceed with building our second project, because Aleph does have the ability to run multiple different prompts at once. So on the right side, our first dog video is being edited. Now I have this video over here of a woman looking around like so, and I'm going to proceed with adding an image reference on this. So you can go into your text box over here and then click on image reference, and then you can create consistent scenes with references. So I'm going to click on upload, and I am going to be uploading a image of a character that we have previously used. So I want to maybe go into assets, and I want to change the face to this person. So I'm going to select this image over here. And once we select this image, I'm going to ask it to change the face to the one, or change the face. And just like so, I'm going to ask it to edit the face from this original model to this particular image that we have created with the help of AI. After that, we're going to proceed, and we can click on the duration. Obviously, the duration of our video is 7 seconds, so it's going to spend credits accordingly. And then I'm just going to click on generate over here, and now it's going to be in queue. So this is our first dog video that is currently 93% completed, and then below that is our second video with the help of the Runway AI Aleph editing model, and both of our videos are now being edited. Now, okay, so our first dog video, any used credits have been refunded. This may take a few moments. In the meantime, please try again. If you get this error more than once, try different input. So for some reason, our first dog video has now a error, but this is a relatively new model, so I'm not going to be too stressed about this. Keep in mind that if any of your credits were used, they will instantaneously be refunded to you within a few minutes. Now let's take a look at our second video. So for some reason the first video did not work. It is fine. You can re-upload your video and then re-enter the prompt or slightly alter the prompt to ensure that the issue is not within the type of video that you're trying to create, because sometimes if it does, exceed their guidelines, it can usually show you an error as well. So our second video has now been edited. So the one in which we asked it to swap the face with a image reference has been created, and this is what it has done. So the overall creation is pretty decent. It was able to take the face from the image and accurately add it to the video. I would say that the size of the head does look slightly disproportionate. I would want to alter that, but overall, just considering how easy it was to do so, it has done a pretty great job. Now, in the meanwhile, we have asked it to change the color of the dog to black because we do want to, have a few different examples in which we can view our videos. And this was our original video. You guys can see there's a dog that is running. It's a white colored dog and he's wearing this yellow shirt. And now I have asked it to just change the color of the dog instead of changing the color of the jacket that the dog is wearing. Now, this is something I've done in chat mode, and this is something I've done in tool mode. You can use Aleph within both of the modes as long as you're doing video editing. By default, it is going to select the Aleph model because that is the model that is used for video editing within Runway AI. Now, this might take slightly more time depending on the type of edits that you're making. It can take 10 minutes very easily if it has multiple different elements that need to be included. Now, keep in mind that Aleph is something that can be really diverse because it has a few different types of features, including object and character editing, camera angle generation, and scene continuation, environmental and style transformation, special effects, and green screen and transparent backgrounds. So this can enable you to do easy compositioning in other editing softwares. You have fire, explosions, and cinematic effects that you can add. So it's not just limited to face swapping or editing the main character of your scene. You can do things like changing the season, adding effects like rain, fog, or shift daytime to nighttime. So if I want to further edit this, I can click on this video and then I can download this by clicking on the bottom right. Once I download this, I'm going to re-upload it, and then within that, let's say I want to change this to a daytime video, and just like so, I can alter my video to be shot like it was shot in the daytime. So you have the ability to use this model however you want with full customization at your hand. And Aleph handles all of this intuitively through prompts along with the style reskinning such as applying vintage film, grain, or futuristic neon effects as well. And Aleph can create new viewpoints for your videos that can help you in extending scenes by generating additional frames, which are great for expanding shot coverage without having to do reshoots over and over again. And sometimes those reshoots are not even possible. Now, what exactly are the pros and cons? Well, first off is unprecedented control, creative flexibility, speed and convenience, as well as high integration. Those are all the amazing pros of using Aleph within Runway AI. However, there are a few cons, including the rendering speed, learning curve, and performance with fast motion footage, which can sometimes be pretty glitchy. And sometimes you need object consistency, which can be a bit difficult to achieve. Now, what exactly is the pricing of Aleph? Well, to get started, you do need to have their standard plan at $15, which gives you access to 625 credits, as well as a credit refresh every month. You have upscaled resolution, as well as generated video access. So you're able to create a lot with the standard plan, and then the pro plan is $35 with 2250 credits every month. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.